Yeah, we're in the cockpit of a B17 G Flying Fortress.
That is the real deal. Back there.
That's the real deal. This is the ball turret for the engineer, and that's the pilot and the co-pilot seat.
That is the real deal.
Forget that.
All my doors. Go in.
Head, I'm gonna do something in the bomb bay. All right, you guys go.
No, I'm scared.
Just you cannot fall. It won't fall. You won't fall.
Jesse, you want to fit it in these things. You're way heavier than you want.
So this is the bomb bay. That would be loaded with bombs and war. Oh yeah. Alright, this is the navigator's position. Normally there'd be rails here with a 30 caliber machine gun attached, so he could pop out this glass window and shoot at enemies attacking from this area of the plane. Plus he's got navigation.
The best thing about this is I love looking out windows of B17 because you can just look at that awesome engine.
Alright, so this is the bombardier's turret, which is very cramped, and a man had just sitting there like this. These are the waist gunners, which 2 men would sit here and defend the waist.